Food has always been a key to bind the world all together. When world was facing a challenge at the beginning of 2020, a lot of people found themselves at home cooking more of their meals. This might have changed the interest in many new home cooks, or was already a passion to some cooks and they are proud to share their creation to their friends and family online. What if I told you I am one of them? Namaste everyone, my name is Amir Thapa and I am actually a full-time chef and I love to cook. I have been very much blessed to take my profession into passion and I love to share it with you all. I planned to post weekly videos of delicious recipes as well as tips to help young cooks and chefs. If you want to learn best recipes, cooking tips and culinary related topics, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my content dropping this year. Subscribing my channel will help me to grow and bring more of my best production sharing with you all. Till then, visit my channel and enjoy the best recipes of your choice. Thank you so much for everything guys. Have a happy cooking!